In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Steam profile picture. If your profile feels a bit outdated or you just want a fresh look, this quick walkthrough will help you update your avatar with confidence and make sure it looks great everywhere on Steam. Start by opening the Steam client on your computer and logging into your account. Once you're signed in, look to the top right corner of the window. You'll see your current avatar next to your username. Click that area, then choose View My Profile. This takes you to your public profile page, where you can manage how you appear to other players. On your profile page, click Edit Profile. If your profile is new, you might see Set up Steam Profile instead. Either way, it leads to the same place. In the menu on the left, select Avatar. This is where you choose what image represents you across the Steam client and the web. You have two choices here. The first is to upload a custom image. Click the option to upload and choose a picture that's at least 184 by 184 pixels. A square image is ideal because it prevents awkward cropping and keeps your avatar crisp in different sizes. High contrast, simple images tend to look best, and avoiding tiny text ensures your avatar remains readable in small views. After you select the image, Steam will show a preview with the crop tool. Adjust the frame so the important part of the picture sits in the center, and make sure nothing essential is cut off. This preview is what other people will see, so take a moment to get it just right. Your second option is to pick from game avatars. Click See All to browse the available choices from games in your library or popular titles. This is a quick way to match your avatar to a favorite game without worrying about image sizes or editing. Select the one you like, and you'll get a preview just like with a custom upload. When you're happy with how it looks, click Save. Your new profile picture will update across Steam. If you don't see it change immediately, give it a moment or refresh your profile. Keep in mind that your avatar is visible to others, so choose something you're comfortable sharing publicly and make sure it follows Steam's community guidelines. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.